There are 3 major breast implant companies in America. They all basically sell the same product, a sterile, high-quality cohesive silicone gel implant. There are some variations on the theme, but there is no clear advantage of one company's implant over another. To separate itself from the competition, the next generation implant company must distinguish itself from its competitors. The whole paradigm of breast implant surgery is about to change.
How does an implant company spend all this money on research and development, developing this wonderful implant, and then release this implant to a surgeon who then has to try to figure out how to get this sterile implant through a small incision with minimal or no complications?
Surgeons must work with dissatisfied patients needing additional surgery for complications that could have either been decreased or possibly eliminated by the use of an implant insertion device designed to minimize damage to the implant and maintain sterility throughout the process with a truly no-touch technique. By significantly decreasing reoperation rates, patients become more confident, surgeons are more successful, and the implant company gains an advantage over its competitors.
What I do in my practice is I try to figure out how I can do as much with the first operation as possible so that I don't have to come back and do another operation later.
What if a surgeon could reduce all of these risks with a system that's cost-effective and easy to implement? The Anderson Breast Implant Delivery System was developed by an experienced, board-certified plastic surgeon who recognized the necessity to enhance the safety and efficiency of the current breast implant procedure.
And so if we could reduce those complication rates, the surgeon wins, the patient wins, and the implant company wins.
Every effort should be made to reduce the complications for women undergoing breast implant surgery. By implementing the Anderson Breast Implant Delivery System, the surgical practice immediately separates itself from the competition by offering increased patient safety, such as decreased infection rate, decreased capsular contracture rate, decreased implant failure rate, decreased reoperation rate due to implant damage and bacterial contamination. By reducing these complications, there is increased patient satisfaction, increased surgery success, and subsequently, increased implant sales.
The device is a breast implant insertion device. It also has a retractor which will fix the device in the incision so that the device doesn't inadvertently become dislodged from the incision during the insertion process and then potentially contaminate the implant. It has a lubricated inner surface so that the implant can slide easily through the device. It's designed in such a fashion so that it can be a truly no-touch insertion.
Clinicians will not hesitate to adapt a system that improves the standard of care provided to patients by decreased implant damage or failure, decreased infection rate, decreased capsular contracture rate, decreased reoperation rate, and also improves the entire implant insertion technique. The math is easy. Implementing the Anderson Breast Implant Delivery System reduces costs to the surgeon for the insertion device, to the patient for reoperation charges, and to the implant company for warranty expenses. In addition to improved standard of care and cost reduction, the Anderson Implant Delivery System streamlines the procedure with an easy-to-use implant insertion device, incision length determined by implant size, decreased surgery time, and a true no-touch technique.
It's my opinion that if an implant company obtains this device, packages it with its implant, and markets it properly, it would have a significant marketing advantage over its competitors.
The Anderson Breast Implant Delivery System will not only offer highly marketable benefits to the patient and increased sales due to the elevated customer confidence, but will also move future patients to the implant company that demonstrates its concerns for the patient with efficient and safe products rather than bottom-line sales. This easily adaptable system will streamline the implant procedure itself and offer significantly decreased warranty costs. Time spent dealing with warranties and dissatisfied patients can now be turned to marketing a safer implant procedure. The Anderson Breast Implant Delivery System is your opportunity to place your company ahead of the innovation curve.